The City College of New York is on the unceded land of the Lenni Lenape peoples. We ask you to join us in acknowledging the community, their elders, past and present, as well as generations to come. We acknowledge the erasures of many indigenous peoples, and this acknowledgement demonstrates a commitment to beginning the process of working to dismantle the legacies of settler colonialism. Activity, let's do some tongue twisters to warm up our mouths so that when we speak and we tell our stories, we can be heard and understood. Repeat after me. The tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips, the teeth, the tip of the tongue. Now let's pull that together. The tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips. Now you. The lips, the teeth, the tip of the tongue. Excellent work, guys. Let's do it to a little bit faster rhythm to challenge ourselves. Here we go. The tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips, the teeth, the tip of the tongue. Excellent work, guys. Give me some snaps, give me some taps, give me some claps. Excellent work. I will see you after story time. Bye-bye, friends.
Hello, welcome. My name is Annalys, and today I'm showing you how to do storyboards. You might be guessing or might be asking yourself, what is a storyboard? A storyboard is a set of boxes. You draw pictures on them, and they're supposed to be in the order of the story that you're using. So today, I'm using The Three Little Pigs, but you can choose whatever story you like. You can choose a princess story, a Little Red Riding Hood, the Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Whatever story you like, you can use, but today I'm using The Three Little Pigs because I feel like we can follow along. And parents, this is an activity for everyone in the family, so you can join in and have fun with your kids. Okay, now I'm gonna list all of the supplies you will need for this activity. You will need color pencils, a pencil, a large sheet of construction paper, a printer paper, or a template that will be provided down in the description box. You will also need a pair of scissors and a glue stick. Here, I have a piece of construction paper. You can use any paper you want as long as it's a larger piece. But here I have the name of the story that we're using. I'm gonna show a better visual, and I've listed each number in order, 1 through 7. That way, when it's time to glue down the pieces, we know exactly where to glue them down. Here's the template we will be using for this activity. If you don't have a printer and cannot print out this template, you can definitely just draw the boxes in on the piece of paper and you'll be totally fine. It's not necessary, but it's definitely helpful for those who are in a time crunch. Okay, so in this segment, we are going to draw a pig. I'm going to fast forward this part, but you can slow it down or pause it at any time so that you can catch up. And this will just give us an idea of how we're going to draw the pigs for our storyboard. So let's get to it. going into these storyboards, we will put the number of each storyboard in the back of each one. That way, when you're trying to figure out the order, you guess it, and then you can look behind the sheet to make sure you got it correct. And if not, you try again, okay? So now we're gonna start cutting. Make sure that your parent is near you or is cutting for you if you are unable to. And make sure to be careful because scissors can be sharp. Okay, so now we've made it to one of my favorite parts of the activity, where we guess which one of these storyboards goes first. So here we have, the wolf is alone and hungry. Mom sends pigs away to build their own house. Which one goes first? Yes, this one goes first, because in the beginning of the story, the mom is the one that's sending the little pigs away to build their own house. And just to double check to make sure that we're correct, yep, we are correct. So this belongs in the number 1 slot. This one is actually number 2. So it belongs in the number 2 slot. All right, between these two, which one goes first? The 3 little pigs build their own house, or the wolf blows the house made out of straws down. Correct. This one goes first because before the wolf blows down the straw house, they have to build it first. So this one goes first. And let's double check. Yes, this one is number 3, so it goes first. This one is actually number 4, so it belongs over here. All right, on to the next. So here's the next set of storyboards. Which one goes first? The wolf blows the house made out of woods down, or the wolf tries to blow the brick house but cannot. Well, if you don't know which one goes first, we're gonna turn the storyboard around. We're gonna try this one. This one is number 6. This one is number 5. So if you're ever confused, you can always look back to make sure which one is actually first and which one is actually second. So this one goes first because before the wolf gets to the brick house, he must blow down the house made out of wood so that all 3 pigs come together under the brick house. So this one belongs in 5. This one belongs in 6. And the only one that we're left with is 7. 7 is there where the wolf tried, gives up, and leaves. Now that we have our storyboards laid out in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we are going to glue our storyboards down. So now that you're done gluing everything down, you can leave it as is, or you can draw the borders out and color and design your construction paper to your liking. All right, this activity has come to an end. We wrote our stories, we drew our storyboards, and we put them in order. I hope you guys had fun. Let me show you our final product. Here we have our storyboard from beginning, middle, and end. I hope you guys enjoyed this activity. It was super fun to do, and I hope you get to do this again with a different story. How fun would that be? Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna pass it on to Shawn. Bye.
Wow, that was so great, Annalys. Thank you for that lovely storytelling activity. Before I let you guys go, I just want you to think about what stories would you tell on your own? Could you make up your own story? Could you draw and lay out your own story? Of course you can. Just remember that your story has a beginning, a middle, and an end, just like the 3 little pigs. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.